The pie chart below shows the percentage of distribution of the types of sports children under the age of 10 prefer to play. So this pie chart represents 6 different sports, and they're each labeled with a different color. So we have soccer, basketball, tennis, baseball, volleyball, and swimming. So a pie chart is a visual representation of counts or frequencies for the number of children in this case who prefer to play sports. We can't tell the number of children that are represented in each wedge. We're only given a visual idea of what the percentage could be because the percentages are not labeled. So let's take a look at the questions that are given for this particular pie chart. So which sport is preferred by more than 50% of the children? So we can easily answer this question by taking a look at the wedges. So more than 50% would be a wedge on this pie chart that would cover more than half of the pie chart or more than half of the circle. So the only one that would be able to answer this question in this case would be soccer, because soccer represents a little bit more than 50% of the pie chart. Is basketball preferred by more or fewer than 25% of the children? 25% would be roughly 1/4 of this pie chart. So if we were to cut the pie chart into 4 equal pieces, 1/4 would be roughly this size. Now, if we take a look at basketball, which again is this orange wedge right here, basketball seems to be less than 1/4 or 25% of this pie. So to answer the second question, we would say that basketball is preferred by fewer than 25% of the children. And then finally, which sports are preferred the least? So if we take a look at our pie chart, the sports that are preferred the least would be represented by the smallest wedges. So in this case, it seems like swimming and volleyball are the smallest 2 wedges in this pie chart. So they would be the 2 sports that would be preferred the least. So again, we're taking a look at this pie chart to make determinations about different percentages of the types of sports that children under the age of 10 prefer to play. Again, with this particular representation, we don't know the frequency or the counts of these children. We just know the general percentages by taking a look at the visual size of the wedges. So again, it looks like more than 50% of children prefer soccer because that wedge covers more than half of the pie chart. Basketball is preferred by fewer than 25% of the children because if you take a look at the wedge for basketball, it's about less than 1/4 of the pie chart, or this area that I drew in black. And then the sports that are preferred the least are the smallest 2 wedges, which would be swimming and volleyball. And now we're done.